And we're now getting some more breaking news. Pakistan ISI uses minors for espionage in India. 15-year-old Pakistan spy has been held in Pathankot. Pakistan ISI is now using Indian minor as a spy. So there's a shift in strategy of the Pakistan ISI, and they are now using Indian minors as a spy. Teen was in touch with ISI for over a year, and Pakistan's ISI has now started using minors for espionage in India. This 15-year-old was held in Pathankot. Now, ISI trap is targeting children in India. This minor has been arrested for spying for Pakistan. Pakistan intelligence agency is now recruiting these Indian minors for espionage. The police is on alert now. This 15-year-old was in contact with ISI for a year, and confidential data was sent to Pakistan by this 15-year-old.
ਅਕ੍ਰੋਸ ਦੀ ਬਾਰਡਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਮਿਲਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਆਫੀਸਰਸ ਤੇ ਏਜੰਸੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਆਈਐਸਆਈ ਏਜੰਸੀ ਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹੋਰ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਆਫੀਸਰਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਫਰੰਟਲ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਟੈਰਰ ਮੋਡਿਊਲ ਚਲਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਨ ਟੱਚ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗਾ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਸੂਚਨਾ ਦੇ ਆਧਾਰ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਗ੍ਰਿਫਤਾਰ ਕੀਤਾ। ਜਦੋਂ ਉਸ ਦੀ ਕਾਇਦੇ ਮੁਤਾਬਕ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੁੱਛਗਿੱਛ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਪੁੱਛਗਿੱਛ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਔਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਫੋਨ ਬਰਾਮਦ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਵੀ ਚੁਕਾ ਦੇਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸੀਗੇ। ਔਰ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਹੈ ਦੀ ਉਮਰ 15 ਸਾਲ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਅਜਿਹੀ ਯੰਗ ਏਜ ਦੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਸੋਸ਼ਲ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮ ਤੇ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਕਿਸ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਆ, ਉਸ ਮੀਡੀਆ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮ ਤੇ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਚੈਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਔਰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੜੀਆਂ ਲੁਕਰੇਟਿਵ ਆਫਰਸ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਹਥਿਆਰ ਚਲਾਉਣਾ, ਹਥਿਆਰ ਨੂੰ ਹੈਂਡਲ ਕਰਨਾ, ਹਥਿਆਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਪਲਾਈ ਦੇਣਾ ਔਰ ਹੋਰ ਕਈ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਲਾਲਚ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਟਰੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਇਸ ਪੁੱਠੇ ਕੰਮਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ।
And my colleague Aman Bhardwaj is now joining us on the story. Aman, grave shift in the strategy of the Pakistan ISI, who are now recruiting Indian minors as spies. But help us understand, how did the police come to know about this 15-year-old spying for Pakistan and sending confidential data?
See, the alert was already issued in previous days, citing New Year and as Pathankot is a border district and it also touches the Pakistan and the other side, the Jammu. So alert was already cited by the Punjab police and central agencies, seeing the New Year and infiltration from the Pakistan side. So on human intelligence basis, this arrest has been made, and we have seen Pakistan even does not succeed in this conspiracies, but have seen doctors, women, and now children how they are been making a shift in their strategy. Now the espionage was charged on this 15-year-old who belongs to Samba district of Jammu, and from last 1 year he was in touch with ISI. Police is now interrogating that how come he got in touch with ISI, what data he has revealed to them, and on what basis or what social media platform he was in touch with ISI, and who among them who all was in touch with him from this side of Punjab or Jammu Kashmir region. Police has also confiscated his phone and also recovered data from the phone which has revealed that he was in touch with ISI from last 1 year, and there were activities of espionage with in connection with ISI from Indian side by this 15-year-old minor. Police though has cited alert, has issued alert warnings to other districts of Punjab that any such minor or children involved in such espionage or in such activities should be apprehended, and police now, whether on the basis of this mobile data or confiscated phone that recovered from this 15-year-old, they are trying to look for such children that are in touch with ISI or was in touch with this 15-year-old. But this comes very shocking, because how Pakistan is trying to infiltrate not only the geographical conditions but also the mindset and different sectors, whether women's, whether doctors, and now the minor, to use them, to divert them, to change their mindset,
Right.
by giving certain means to them.
Aman, also tell us about the confidential data that was shared by this 15-year-old, and how are these minors being lured and groomed by the Pakistani ISI? Is the social media playing a big role in this?
See, exactly, Anjali, because social media does not have any boundaries, so they come in touch with the Pakistani social media handlers, whether on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook or any other by the emails. So they get in touch, and these minors, they get in touch, seeing how the gangs are operated, how the gun culture is being introduced, how the weapons come from that side, and initially they've been asked to show the photographs of the army movements, the police headquarters. So by sharing photos on social media, they try and get more details from these minors, and
All right.
they get involved in this activities of espionage. But whether they are aware or whether they are not aware, this is what police is mainly concerned about, that they come in contact with social media, but later on
Right.
it get concluded to the espionage and get in touch with ISI. But it is more concerning for the border district and for the border state of Punjab as well.
All right, Aman, thank you so much for all those details. So there's a grave shift in the strategy of the Pakistani ISI, who are now recruiting Indian minors, and social media is the key tool that is being used to groom and lure these minors in India.